These bundles are the braiding bundles that recently we produced for some customers, and a lot of people are asking how to install this braiding bundle. So I will briefly explain to you how to install these braiding bundles. Let's come to see the web here. So actually on every web we just add one extra piece is the single web together with the double wefted bundle. We just solve together with this braiding. So actually you need to open it, and you just need to use this here on top of the head to braid on your own hair. I will show you one video to explain to you how to braid these bundles. Actually the video can help you to understand how to install the braiding bundles, so we can have straighten body wave and in different lengths. But if you want different colors, we need to produce. Now we have the natural black color, so with this. So now let's see the video, see how to install these braiding bundles. Okay, let's see the video. So this video will show you how to do the braiding bundles. I think you need to do 3 or 4 layers on your head. So you need to cut your braiding bundles into 3 or 4 pieces and start braiding the hair on. But for us, we really don't know if it is better to do the sewing or the braiding bundles. But this one seems more natural. And finally, after you finish the braiding bundles, you need to sew it with the strand so it will not lose. So actually, after you finish doing the braiding bundles, your own hair, you just need to take your own braiding out to brush out, and your own hair will just cover the braiding bundles. So should we just use the flat iron to straighten it, to straighten the hair, a kinky straight hair, and we cover the braiding bundles. Let me open these braiding bundles for you. This one. This is the braiding bundle, and I will open it for you. So this is what I want to show you. The web. You see? This is how it looks like. This is the braiding bundle. This one. So you just need to use this hair to braid on your own hair. This normally without this braiding is the web bundle. It's the web bundle, but we just add one single small piece braiding on the web. So you will just check this is one small piece and another 2 small pieces we just add together, because this piece is the actual hair that we use to braid it on your hair. This is the extra piece, and this is actually the original. This one is the original bundle, the web bundle. So we just add together. So this is how it looks like after we add together. You use this hair to braid on your own hair, this one. So this is what I'm going to show you. This, you see? See? So now Hopefully you guys can understand this product now. Okay.